are looking your best in your 20s, and for some people it's just like magic, like they do not have to do anything and just enjoy their good looking skin. But it is very important to build a routine for yourself and to preserve that beauty. And that is why today's video will be all about how you can prepare your skin for your late 20s, 30s and so on. So to maintain that charm of yours, I am here to help. That how you can build a self-care routine for yourself and look amazing at every damn age. Now without wasting any time, let's begin the video. I have already told you in my previous videos that 20s are the best time to build a routine for yourself, and if you haven't watched that video yet, click on that icon. Now let's try and make a routine for you all. As soon as you wake up, try to drink at least 2 glasses of water because you've slept around 6 to 7 hours or 5 to 6 hours. For that hours, your body has not had enough water. If you drink water as soon as you wake up, it will help you flush out toxins from your body and at the same time will hydrate your body. One skincare tip I would like to give you all is do not use a face wash in the morning. Just splash some cold water to your face, and trust me guys, this has been such a game changer for my routine. I'll tell you why. Because before sleeping you might have applied your night cream or moisturizer. Overnight for 6 to 7 hours or even 5 to 6 hours, your skin has absorbed all that skincare and your skin is already hungry, so it doesn't need to get clean again. Just splash some water, do your regular moisturizer, sunscreen or makeup if you do, and you are good to go. So we are a little careless when it comes to skincare in your 20s. You have just started going out with your friends, doing late night parties and all that stuff, but do not forget to clean your face before you sleep. Choosing your skincare product according to your face type, that is oily, dry, combination, sensitive. Choose your sunscreen, moisturizer, face wash according to that. Less is more. Mark my words, जितना ही सिंपल और लेस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आपका स्किन केयर होगा, उतने ही अच्छे से आप अपने स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट कर पाओगे. Do not get fascinated by your favorite influencer, your favorite celebrity कि वो लोग कर रहे हैं तो हम भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक्सपेंसिव स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट से ही आपकी स्किन अच्छी और गुड लुकिंग हो सकती है. आप एक बेसिक स्किन केयर रूटीन भी प्रिपेयर करोगे अपने लिए, उससे भी आपकी स्किन एकदम फ्लॉलेस लग सकती है. It just depends how you do it. Start using an anti-aging cream from your mid-20s. You might not see the signs of aging, but the process of aging has already been started at that age. So one bonus tip as always, ये early, mid और late 20s के लिए भी है, और अगर आप अपने 30s में हो तो ये उनके लिए भी है. रात को सोने से पहले आपने अपना स्किन क्लीन कर लिया, अपना रेगुलर नाइट क्रीम या मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लिया है. अब वैसलीन तो सबके घर में होता ही है, और अगर नहीं है तो खरीद लेना. इट्स नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव. सो ऑलवेज अप्लाई अ थिन लेयर ऑफ वैसलीन अंडर योर आई एंड टू योर लाफ लाइन्स. It will keep you hydrated till morning. मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे थे, वो लिटरली ऐसे लैदर करते हैं वैसलीन अपने पूरे स्किन में. It will just hydrate your skin till morning. I know मैं हर बार ये चीज़ बोलती हूँ जब भी कोई स्किन केयर वीडियो बनाती हूँ, बट सनस्क्रीन एवरी एज विदाउट सेइंग, एंड ट्राई टू ऐड प्रोडक्ट्स जिसमें सनस्क्रीन ऑलरेडी ऐड हो. आपका कॉम्पैक्ट, आपका मॉइस्चराइजर या आपका फाउंडेशन में किसी में भी जस्ट ट्राई टू ऐड मोर एंड मोर सनस्क्रीन. दैट डजंट मीन कि आपको सनस्क्रीन अलग से अप्लाई नहीं करना है. दैट इज मैंडेटरी. आपको सनस्क्रीन अलग से अप्लाई करना है. That is just like a shield to your skin if you want to protect your skin. That was it for the video, you guys. I hope you liked this one. I have researched a lot about this content and तभी मैं आपके सामने इतना सब कुछ बता रही हूँ, इतना सब कुछ शेयर कर रही हूँ. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट कि मैं अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी आपको बता रही हूँ एंड इट्स जस्ट बुलशिट. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आई हैव ट्राइड most of the things and that is why I am sharing this with you all. I hope you liked this video. I hope you're liking my content. Yes, I will see you next week. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it with all of your friends, be it boys, girls, क्योंकि स्किन केयर सबके लिए ज़रूरी होता है. एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक. बाय.